Yeah.
All right, we're good.
Cool. Okay. Just start on question 3.
So T. What does that equal again? What is the T? What's the equation for that again?
So it's T. Where'd I go?
So it would be D in this case.
D is the top, divided by standard deviation, divided by the sample size.
Sample.
That would be it. Okay. I just needed it for.
So I got 2 from that.
I'm still doing it in Excel. 1 second.
Yeah. So 2.2 divided by 3.3 divided by 9, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, I didn't. I mean, I don't know if it comes up different in you guys' end. I did it on my calculator, and I just did 2.2 divided by the division of 3.3 and square root of 9, and I got 2.
What's the square root? Sorry. I got something else. I got 0.22222, but I want to make sure I'm doing that right.
Divided by the square root of what was it again?
9.
Sorry.
9.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't want to go back to it, so. I got 0.222222222.
And then
That's what I got.
I'm double checking my answers.
Is that
Did you,
what you
guys,
got?
did you guys do it in Excel or calculator?
I did in Excel.
Okay.
Yeah, I did in Excel as well, but I broke it down into simple steps.
I just did it on my calculator. That's how I got 2.
Because the square root of 9 is 3.
Mm-hmm.
So
2.2 divided by
3.3.
and then divided by square root of, right?
Yeah, that's how I keep getting 2.2. I mean, I get 0.2222222. So
Let's go off your guys' calculations. That's 2, I guess 1. Well, what I did, I just did 3.3 divided by the square root of 9, and that's how I got 1.1.
Oh,
and
that's
then,
why.
And then I did 2.2 divided by 1.1.
Yeah, you're going to get a different response. You have to do that first division, that 2.2 divided by 3.3 first, or else you're going to get a different.
You get 0.66666, and then divided by 3.
You do that entire, But that makes sense why you got 2, because 3.3 divided by 3 is going to be 1.1, and then 2.2 divided by 1.1 will be 2. So that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know.
So with that answer, do we just go to the third decimal point, or what do you guys think?
I would say, because it didn't say so.
Okay, so 0.22.
Now I got 0.2222. Yeah.
Okay. Good. The probability of obtaining a test is referring to? Where did Jordan come from?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. I don't get the question.
Is that you plug it into the T applet? That would be my thought.
Okay.
Greater. So 0.222. And that would get that answer. Wait, hang on. What is it? Okay. The probability of obtaining a test score greater than the test statistic is 0.4. No,
So it
that's
is
different.
greater.
Oh, what is the degrees of freedom, though? That might be my problem. And it's so I need to do 8. Oh, that's still wrong. What is this? What's going on here? Okay, so probability.
Yeah, I don't even know.
That doesn't even make sense. Do you plug in the test? Is it that 0.04? That .0403. Is it .0403? Is that what it says?
0.0403, yeah.
Okay. I got .84844. I don't know if that helps us.
Did you just plug that into the?
I put that into the T applet. I made sure I used the key difference, which would be 8. Or no, not key difference. The degrees of freedom. So, yeah, I guess that's the answer. I have zero idea what to do. What else to do? 3, 4, 8, 4. Yeah, so it's 484.484.
So, what did you get for the degrees of freedom?
The degrees of freedom is just 1 minus n, so it's 8. So I put that into because I use that student T's probabilities.
Oh,
so at the very top it says with an 8 degrees of freedom, and then I put in at the bottom the T score. I don't know if that's even right. Okay. The test statistic would be the T score. Dan doesn't greater than Jordan's test statistic is. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. I guess. Anybody have a better idea?
What's the answer you got?
I got .484. So what I did is I took that test statistic that Jordan got, whoever Jordan is, and I plugged it in T score in the T probability applet.
Yeah.
And then I just made sure to change the degree of freedom from 3 to 8, because 8 is the degree of freedom using this material that we're covering. And so then it gave me an answer of .484.
What? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. It doesn't make any sense to me. So that's probably the best thing we can come up with. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean the T score is the T score is like the Z score.
Yeah.
And our test score is the T score.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check the discussion board. Yeah, .484. That's what I got.
Okay, yeah. Well, when I did it your way, I got .484 as well. 0.4844.
Yeah. You just round to the nearest, it says 3 there.
Yeah.
I'm checking the conversations.
Okay. I have no idea.
And there's no. Yeah. I mean, that's the only thing I can think of, since it specifically says use information above. All right.
Do we subtract point? No, that wouldn't make sense either.
Because even then, like,
I don't know.
The probability of a greater, and this information tells us it's either or. It just doesn't equal greater than Jordan's test. Or just I don't know. Yeah. So I guess that's my guess.
All right, sounds good.
Group 1 minus use the null hypothesis. Term hypothesis. Level of significance. Okay, so change all this stuff up.
I got point. Are we on number 5 now?
Yeah, I'm working. I'm just. Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Still, I haven't done it yet.
I already downloaded the things beforehand, so it was easier.
Yeah, I did too, but switching on my computer's just been weird. Happy. What the heck is this? And it said, what does it say on here to tell us how to do it? It says group 1 minus group 2 or group 2 minus group 1?
Group 1 minus group 2.
Yep.
So group 1 minus group 2. 1 minus 2. Okay, and what are we looking for in this first question?
T-score.
The P-score? I got
The
0.6.
test
Wait, what was that?
this is the test statistic. So
Oh,
yeah,
P-score.
T-score.
Oh, so I got 0.407.
That's what I got too.
Okay, good.
I'm still working this out. These are the ones that got me last week, but hold on.
Okay, so let me double check that. So KG, are you doing these by hand?
No, I'm downloading the I'm downloading the
down-
bullshit right now.
Okay. No, I just want to make sure because that's what Diogenes was doing last week.
Oh yeah, no, I would never
He's
do it by
doing
hand.
it by hand. like, dude, you're gonna be there a while. Download this thing.
Yeah, the next one, I don't know, you guys, Zach, they got 0.689. The p-value.
The p-value.
Yeah.
You said 0.689. That's what I got too.
Okay.
Hey,
Cool.
would one of you guys walk me through the the calculation in Excel for the T for number 5? Because I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm doing it wrong. Hold on.
Okay. What are you doing? Do you have the right one pulled up? The quantitative inference.
Yeah, like are you guys seeing like 202.01 for group 1, the first number? Oh wait, no, sorry. That's those are the numbers though. Hold on.
Say 202.09.
I forgot to download that quantitative thing. That's what it was.
Yeah, because with that, it just gives you the answers when you plug in the.
Yeah, I
Very-
forgot.
I'm hoping they don't make us do it all by hand like the last test for this test, because that would be rough.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we can use this.
Yeah. I mean, that's what like the homework, even all that stuff says what it says.
Exactly. So I'm hoping we're able to use it, because the last test they didn't let us use the, I don't know, that other Excel stuff. So
Gotcha.
All right, was number 5 was 0.407?
yep.
Okay, cool.
All right. All right. What is the correct decision based on the correlated evidence? So, failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Yep.
that's what I put.
Okay. Because it could, yeah. And then suppose that your alternative hypothesis instead.
I got B.
I was gonna go with C.
I might be wrong. I'm just,
Okay. Suppose that the alternative hypothesis instead. Let me double check that. I still don't see it changing. So yeah, we have insufficient evidence. I mean,
So B, right?
WB.
Well, that's what I think. We have insufficient evidence.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I agree because the P score it changes, but it doesn't change enough to make the alternative hypothesis correct. So it's insufficient
Exactly.
evidence. That's
Yeah,
what I understand.
Perfect.
Okay.
Anybody think anything different?
Well, that's what I thought. And so makes sense to
Okay.
me. I don't know. You
No,
think
I'll go with you guys.
okay.
Because, and here's the reason why, KG, is the P score is different than the different mean, the differential mean.
Yep.
So the P score is still less than, it's still greater than 0, meaning that the hypothesis we're testing is wrong.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like everything else, like if the P score is greater than 0.05, then it's wrong. Or at this point, it's 0.1 since it's at 90%. Anyway,
I was just thinking of a different. I was thinking that because the P score was greater than 0, that's why.
yeah, no, that's
Oh.
that's how it tricks you because it's not the P score wouldn't replace the mean, the population mean, the population difference mean.
Gotcha.
Okay. Which is greater, N is greater than the DF.
Yep.
Because the DF is N minus 1. What is the P value? What? Oh, yeah.
You have to change it to
The other data
Yeah.
plot.
Yep. Okay. Let's change it.
Okay. Oh, come on. And does it say how it wants us to do this?
3 decimal places. Oh, you mean
Okay, make sure that the one. Okay, so I can still use the same
yeah,
formula.
1 minus 2, and then it's going to be not equal to.
What was your what was the N that you got for that one?
N.
Yeah.
I got 22.
Okay. So did I. Okay, that works out. Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, so it means it's greater still. But typically N is always greater, right? That's why
I just wanted to make sure that I had all the data points pulled over like from the previous one. We're good. So
you guys had the P score? P
Well-
value, sorry.
the P for the difference. So I got 0.0006. That's what I got.
For
Oh,
the
hang
P
on.
value?
Hang on. I didn't change the alternate.
Oh yeah, so
That's 99. This means going to be 0 is the same. And okay. That's what could get me last week. And what's the alternative? It's just not equal to, right?
yeah, not equal to 0.001. So you guys got?
0.001. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. So it's equal to.
So we reject the null hypothesis.
Yep, reject the null hypothesis. And decide the alternate hypothesis. Time to change it. Change it to greater than.
The p-value decreases is what I got for 12.
Yep.
Okay. We still reject it for 13.
Yep. Same thing. Based on your response from previous questions, what conclusion you make?
I got C.
Yeah, because we have sufficient evidence. Okay.
That's always gonna trick me.
P-value depends on the alternative hypothesis in general, which alternate hypothesis will give you the false p-value. I mean, I can just do it manually. Wrote it in.
Yeah, I know what we have already. Nope. So it's greater than.
Yeah, greater than. Okay. Here's the value, 59 confidence. Okay. 95.
What is the point estimate for that? What is the point estimate again?
Isn't it the? Do we have to do that equation?
I honestly can't remember.
I'm trying to think of that video. I watched those videos and let me try it. Let me look it up because I don't remember honestly.
Okay. Construct a confidence interval when it's known population standard. Oh, so it just says it's the standard deviation. Is that right?
It's just a standard deviation.
Am I reading that right?
Really? Where is this in the homework?
I found it in the book.
Yeah, in the book. That's what I meant. Sorry.
So confidence intervals. It says to construct a confidence interval when the population standard deviation is unknown, we replace the population standard deviation O with a point estimate S. So which means that's the sample size deviation.
Yeah. Yeah.
So will that just be it?
I thought there was a particular equation for the point estimate.
Oh, hey, Walker.
I've been sneaking around here for 15 minutes or so. Don't ask me what the equation is. I'm just going to pipe in and say something, you know.
That's what I'm looking for right now. I swear there was an equation.
No, I think you guys are right. Not about it. Isn't it? That's the one with S divided by the square root of N, right? Would that be it?
The X plus or minus?
Yeah, I think that's,
That's the margin of error, though. Isn't that the margin of error?
Right. That's the margin of error. Is it?
Yeah.
That's the margin of error, and that's the next question.
Oh, okay.
What is the margin of error? And I thought the point estimate.
Wait, is it the equation? I thought the margin of error was the equation before you plus or minus it from 95.
Well, I think the margin of error is an answer you get positive or negative but before the mean, right? So like the confidence interval is the mean plus a number and then the mean minus the reverse of that number. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that number that you would adjust the mean to, that is the margin of error number.
So is that the I don't know. Yeah, okay. I just remember in the homework because I did it once. I missed this problem, so yeah, don't ask me. The margin of error one, I can't figure it out.
I know that that's an equation that we did relatively recently. I'm going back to other lessons and looking at it.
Okay.
Okay, so point estimate. I found it. It's in chapter 10. So
Chapter 10. Okay.
yeah, point estimators, because they are just one number, is used to estimate a parameter. So I don't know if it is.
Estimators. Okay. No equation.
So I'm looking for. So M is so the margin of error is 2 times. Man, this is confusing. Okay, so the point estimator is the mean, more or less. That's what it is. According to what I'm reading now, it says this pattern repeats. So it's the point estimator minus the margin of error gets your first number in your confidence interval. And then your second number is the point estimator plus the margin of error. So it should be the mean.
So 11.955.
Yeah, so the point estimator as defined are generally numbers that are used to help identify estimates in a parameter. So it would be the mean in how we're going to use it.
So 11.955.
11.955. Yes, I think. I could be wrong, but this is kind of starting to come back to me a little bit.
Okay.
11.955, right?
And now to find the margin of error
is 2 times S divided by the square root of N, I think is what it said. I'm going to go back and double check that.
and S is B. What is S again? I'm like spacing right now.
S is the sample sample.
Yeah. Sample mean, right? Okay.
Oh, no. Okay, so it's calculated as M equals the Z score, which would now be the T score, times sample means divided by the square root of N. So it's not 2. Okay. For this chapter. And this is getting confusing. You're using the same equation, but you're placing it with new variables. Okay, T score. So the T score is 3.737 times sample deviation is 15.003 divided by the square root of 22. I could be totally wrong about this, guys. I'm really nervous about this one. All right.
Excuse me.
Hey, what'd you get?
I'm still doing it.
Okay. So I might be wrong. Just want to see what you got.
I got 11.953. That doesn't sound right. Look at that.
You got 11.953, so that's pretty much the mean.
Yeah.
I know. Like that doesn't sound right.
So what was your equation? You did 3.737, right? Times
15.003 divided by the square root of 22. What did you get?
Yeah, see, that's why that's what I got too.
Okay, I'm gonna plug this into what
I'm just confused because that's so close to the mean, but
I know, and I honestly don't think that that's right though.
Yeah, that's weird.
No, because the confidence level of what we're getting down at the bottom for the differences is
Close.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it kind of is.
I mean, it's not really. I mean, if you 18 minus 11.9 is like 6.
Yeah,
that's true.
That's true.
That doesn't make sense either. So. 1, 5,
What are we supposed to? Yeah. What the heck?
I mean, there's a way to figure this out, but it's not the right equation. So I would just take the confidence interval minus the mean, and you should get your answer.
Seriously.
Do it like that. Well, I know what the answer is. We can put it down, but I don't know how to get it again. Did they even cover that in this chapter?
6.652?
6.652. Did you figure out another way to do it?
No, so I'm trying to like do it backwards, see if I can figure it out, but
I just took the two like confidence intervals. I just found the mean. We know what the mean is.
yeah.
Like, right, so just double check that was the mean, which it is 11.955. Then I took the high one, 18, whatever, minus 11.955, and I got 6.652. I'm like, oh, okay. And then I took the mean and I minus that 6.52, and I got the lower interval, 5 point whatever it was. So
Exactly. That is the answer.
I just don't know how to get. I don't remember how we're supposed to get that again.
I'm trying to read in the book. I can't find anything. It doesn't even say anything really.
Like, not for this chapter, it doesn't. I mean, it talks about it 2 chapters ago, but the equation's different. The equation it shows in the chapter is like z, or is it? It's z times o divided by the square root of n, which is great and all, but we don't know anymore because we're not supposed to know o. And
It's z times o divided by the square root of n is what it is on here. So on there, I think it was t times, what was it? It wasn't in the mean, it was the SD. I remember in the lesson, in the video, him giving us a different equation. Let me see if I can find it.
yeah, the SD is, according to what I have, is 15.003, which gets the
Yeah, it's a standard deviation. I don't know.
Why is our number so wrong then?
I don't know.
I think I'm just gonna plug it in and just see what I get. See what I got right so far.
Yeah, honestly, I say we should just go with that for now.
'Cause I don't know what's going on. Well, I got one wrong.
Yeah, don't tell us which one. Sorry, guys, my kid's laughing in the background.
It's cute, man. You're fine.
Yes. Okay, so I submitted mine and I missed 2.
You missed 2.
Yeah.
I missed 3.
Really?
Yes. How'd I miss
I
3?
missed number 3. I missed number 3. Number 4. Oh wait, never mind. And I missed 15. Sorry, I didn't see that one.
Okay. All right, that's what I missed too. I was like, dude,
I'm confused how
what
we
did you
missed.
put that was different than me?
Confused about 15 though. How did we get that wrong?
I am too. I just went and double checked it. I guess it's not enough information.
Okay.
I'm the
Whatever.
smallest. Which
And then how did we get number 3 wrong? Maybe you were right after Kiji. Because yeah, because you got a different answer than us, and maybe he was right. I don't know. I don't know how we got that wrong.
Let me look up the test statistic again. That's what I
Okay,
want to see.
I'm gonna do what I had originally and see what I got.
Yeah, do that. I don't know why you got that wrong.
I know what we got 4 wrong because that question doesn't make sense. So it's like they bring up Jordan. Like, who's this guy? Where did he come from?
Yeah. Jordan statistics. Who the heck is Jordan?
It's like, where's this number coming from? There you go. I had the T-score equation wrong. I wrote it down wrong. So it's the mean minus the population mean, the test mean minus population mean divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So that's how I got that one wrong.
Minus.
Hey, I got 3 right.
So yeah, you did it right then.
Okay. Well, hey guys, I have to go to my other class.
Okay.
So I'll let you guys go. And then I'll catch up with you guys later.
Sounds good.
That's good. I have to leave here too because I have a class at 9 o'clock as well.
Yeah. I gotta set.
So what did you
all
get
right.
for number 3?
Wait, say that again?
What did you get for number 3?
I got 2.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna go back and see. Yeah, redo it so I can get that right.
Oh, now I get. Yeah, well, it makes sense. Like that. Okay.
Maybe then that's how you put in 2 on that whatever graph thing. I forgot what the thing's called, and that's how you get the answer for number 4.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is then. Because if you put down what we got, that's what I would say. All right, man. I'll see you guys later.
Hey,
Okay.
see you, Zach.
Yeah, that's what it is. So the answer is 0.081 for number 4.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
because
actually just
for number 3, so we couldn't get it. So that's why.
multiplied Jordan's test statistic, the 0.0403 times 2, and then I got the 0.08. What I get? Yeah, 0.081 as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the answer. Makes more
Perfect.
sense now.
Cool.
Okay, I'm just putting in all the answers again for the test second one so I can get 100, but I think we're good.
Sounds good. Who's
Hey.
who's submitting the video?
It's gonna be Zach, so I think he just needs to turn it off once he comes back. I don't know.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to head out of here too. You turn yours in again yet?
No, I'm still putting them in. I'm almost done.
Nah, no worries. No
You
worries.
guys, you guys can head out. You're fine.
No, no problem. No problem. Thanks, guys. Sorry I was late. I had come in late on a flight, so
You're good. No
No
worries.
worries.
didn't get there quite
Okay.
quick enough. So,
We'll see you
hey,
Thursday.
guys. Yeah,
Okay.
sounds great. You guys have a good evening.
Hey, you too. Bye.
11.5. Um. I'm an idiot.